lights are coming up, we're going to go left. What are you checking first?
Right.
No.
Middle.
What are you checking right for? Which way are you going?
Left.
Left. That's what you're checking?
Middle.
No.
Left.
Yeah, good. So why would you want to check to the right?
Why do I check to the right?
No, but then you said I'll check to the right, didn't you? But what way are you turning?
Left.
Left. So why would you want to check the right mirror when you're turning?
Left. I don't know. I just always look right.
But what could be here?
Anything.
Like what?
Cyclist, bike, pedestrian.
Yeah.
Oh. Am I going through here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll check it.
Good. Is it safe?
It's safe.
Good.
It's 20.
20. Yeah. So if you're slowing down up to those lights back there, right?
Yeah.
Your speed's going down, right? You're going from, let's say, 30 down to 10 on the approach. Who could catch you up?
A cyclist.
Yeah. All right. You're checking your right mirror when there's a cyclist on your left.
Yeah.
What could happen?
Death. I hit it.
You don't know he's there, do you?
Yeah.
Because you've checked where?
My right.
Exactly, yeah. 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 So parked cars coming up. What mirrors are we going to check?
Me left.
Why?
Because they're on my left.
No. Where are you moving to?
The middle.
Middle mirror.
Middle mirror.
And which? Because you're moving where?
To the right.
Good. We're going right at the end of the road.
I don't.
Right, so what checks?
Middle.
And
right.
Good boy, excellent. What signal? Good. What gear will it definitely be when you get here?
1.
Good. What's going on here?
I don't know, I'm autistic. I can go.
Good. You and your left and rights and your mirror checks.
It's not my fault.
Right, look, right, there's a black van coming up. You're gonna move which way?
Middle.
So where are you checking?
Right.
Good. Is it safe?
Yeah.
Good. Who could be there?
Anyone.
Like who?
Jamie Trainer.
Yeah, on a motorbike.
On a motorbike. It's a very cool motorbike.
What speed is this road?
A 20.
Good. Are we doing 20?
Yeah, we're doing like 23.
Yeah, it feels it.
You can feel the difference.
Good. Oh yeah, can feel that.
You feel it. I know the only time I felt the difference is when I'm on the highway. And you go 71 instead of 70.
So let's practice again. Look, there's a post van. What mirror checks?
Middle.
Good.
Right.
Good boy.
No one. Jamie Trainer's station.
Bloody learners, and you're saying, right, you're going to move to your right, right? Giving you all the hints. You're going to move right. What mirror checks are you going to do? And you guys go, I'm going to look left.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Right, we're going left at the end of the road. What are you checking?
Middle, left.
Do that before what?
The right mirror.
The indicator.
Oh.
Mirrors. Signal. Good.